Sunabesa, also known as the Rajarajeshwara Besa, is one of the most awaited avatars of the Holy Trinity at Puri, drawing millions of devotees annually. People gather to catch a glimpse of the majestic deities adorned in golden jewelry. Observed on the auspicious Asadha Shukla Ekadashi Tithi, the Sunabesa has an interesting story that lies beneath its impressive observance. In the year 1460, after the battle against the Deccan rulers, Kapilendra Deva, the then Gajapati of Utkal, reached the Sri Mandir with a vast treasure of gold and other precious wealth mounted on 16 elephants. With utmost devotion, he bowed down to the Lord and ordered his ministers to dedicate the gold bought on the back of 16 elephants to Lord Jagannath. The servitors and the ministers were confused with this decision of the king. Why is the king choosing to dedicate the gold to the Lord instead of keeping it for himself? They talked among themselves, but no one dared to ask this to the king. However, the king himself said, "All this belongs to the Lord. He was there with me throughout the war. I owe him this win. Therefore, whatever I have brought belongs to him. We will not take even a single piece of gold. Lord Jagannath will be bestowed with all this gold and will give darshan in the Rajarajeshwara Besa." Kapilendra Deva expressed his desire to utilize the gold to create ornaments for the deities. However, there was a concern. If the gold ornaments were to be bestowed upon the Lord in the Sri Mandir, only a few people could have the darshan of Lord Jagannath's Rajarajeshwara Besa, as some people were not allowed inside the temple. Tadaukarana, the custodian of gold, made a humble request to Gajapati Kapilendra Deva. As many devotees were unable to witness the divine Besa within the temple, he suggested that the Sunabesa be displayed on the chariots during Rath Yatra on occasion of Bada Ekadashi, allowing devotees of all faiths to behold the deities. Kapilendra Deva graciously approved this proposal, and the Sunabesa ritual was held. Since then, this ritual is observed on Asadha Shukla Ekadashi Tithi after the sibling deities return from Gundicha temple on Bahuda. During this grand occasion, the deities are adorned with approximately 208 kilograms of gold. History says, during Kapilendra Deva's reign, the deities were adorned with an astonishing 138 designs of gold ornaments. Although the number of designs has decreased over time, the deities are still majestically decorated with 20 to 30 types of gold ornaments.